Hey guys, I'm Vanessa and welcome to my day 1 of my extreme room makeover. The very first clips that you see are like from a year ago. It was when my room was pink, but I want to show you guys the whole process. So pretty much what changed, we painted the walls white. They were like a very bright pink as you saw on the previous clips, and now we changed them to white because I think it will go with everything. So today we took away the carpet. I'm just glad we took it away because my allergies were like so bad with the dirt in it. As well, we took away the little wall trims right here and we got some new ones, so yeah, I'm excited for that as well. Another thing was this little Tesla collage kit, and it's really pretty. It was pretty easy to hang them up. They have been holding up pretty well. This is what they look like. I will link everything down below for you guys. Since my wall was bigger than the Tesla collage kit, I just printed this myself, this little side right here, and I just think it looks cute. So I got the Pergo Graceland Oak color, I believe. Like I said, everything in the description below. I just want to make this video as much helpful for you guys so you guys can see where everything is from. And I'm just excited to experience this makeover with you guys. So tomorrow we're gonna put the laminate flooring and also the little trims. So it's gonna be a long day. And yeah, I'm excited. I haven't seen the laminate color yet, because since right now we're in quarantine. Currently 8:17 and it's Monday, May the 4th to be with you. I haven't had the chance like to go to the store and see the floorings myself. I had to order them based on seeing them online, which was really hard. Hopefully I will like the flooring. So I'll see you guys in day 2 tomorrow, and yeah. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of my room makeover. I already put the underlayment in the floors. We got the laminate floorings today. It is the Pergo Graceland Oak color. This is what they look like. It's a really pretty color. I think it looks pretty real. Like it looks like hardwood, and I got it at a really good price. So basically I wanted to show you guys what the floors look like before someone comes to install them. This is what the color looks like. It's a really pretty grayish, like creamish color, and I think it looks good on my room. Hopefully everything turns out all right. And yeah, this is like a little sneak peek of what my floors will look like. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of my room makeover. So yesterday they installed the laminate flooring and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm obsessed with it. The color is perfect, just what I was picturing in my mind, and it turned out perfect. This is what it looks like in a little close-up. We're gonna start putting the furniture and decorations in the room. Hey guys, this is the after of my room makeover. watching my extreme room makeover. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!